Can you talk about how you handle tough situations and how do you motivate your team during these times?
Yeah. So I'm assuming that anyone else that's in education technology knows that a back to school season is just really tough. Every single one of your school partners is trying to get started at the exact same time with new teachers that don't know how to work whatever system it is that you're working with yet, returning teachers who have blissfully forgotten how to do things while they've taken some time to do professional development or connect with their families over their summers. So it's all kind of a gale force every back to school season. And I rely a lot on food to my teams, so sending them little food items in the mail to make sure that they're able to recharge. I give a lot of individual praise and thank yous, both to everyone on my team and to all the teams that we collaborate with. I'll send my own team small gifts, like the thanks is a great platform or spoonful of comfort. I'll give company shout outs in Slack to really promote all of the experimentation that they're doing or new solutions that they found. And then just constantly remind them on any call that we're on that we are all doing the absolute best that we can while maintaining our wits about us and acting in a humane way. Because at the end of the day, if we get completely drained, we won't be the best partners for all of our educators who might be having really tough days of their own. So we have to make sure that we're taking that deep breath, that we're taking those moments away to recoup and relax and refresh and come back and offer all that support that we can to all of our partners.